Yeah, my yeah is different to your yeah. Dripping in sauce, the dripping so saucy. I don't know why they wanna want me, why they wanna warn me if they don't know me. Different to your yeah. Dripping in sauce, the dripping so saucy.
So guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get the halo braid you just saw in my intro. And for this style, I really wanted it to look a bit more natural. I didn't want it to just be the regular like halo braid style that people do on short hair. I tried to make it look like it was really growing out of my scalp. So yeah. So I basically sectioned my hair into two portions. I did a bigger portion at the back and then a smaller one in front. You can do it equal if you want. I mean, I was just winging it because I really didn't know how this was going to turn out. But anyway, I'm slicking the section at the back down, and I'm doing this so that I can make two braids coming down each side and then be able to put it into a ponytail. So I'm using my Wetline Extreme Gel. I'm pretty sure by now you guys know that's my favorite gel, and I'm just using that to slick down my hair. I'm also using my detangler to just brush it through, and after I'm done, I'm going to begin braiding down the side of my hair on the left side, as you can see, and then I'm also going to braid down the right side, and I'm just going to connect it into a ponytail at the back, and that's going to be the ponytail or like the little bun that I will be attaching the braiding hair to.
Here we go.
So after doing the ponytail at the back of my hair, or at least I think I should call this a bun, after doing that little bun at the back of my head, I'm going to move on to the front, and I'm just slicking it down with some gel before I begin to do a flat twist out. And in the end, you guys will see how I did the flat twist out kind of made this even look more natural, because it was kind of raised, and then it made the braiding hair I added, it made it look like it was literally coming out of my scalp, so it looked like it was just my hair. So anyway, I'm just flat twisting backwards. If you do not know how to flat twist, I guess you can just braid this section as well, or just do kind of like a roll and tuck. I guess that could work as well. So after I'm done, I'm just going to take a bobby pin, and I'm going to pin that to the other side of my head. And as you guys can see, it just has that part in the middle that kind of makes it look like it was your hair that you did a halo braid on. I hope so, at least. You guys let me know in the comments down below. Now I'm just going to be cleaning up my edges and doing my baby hairs with my Style Factor edge control, and I'm basically just going to do that. Then I'm going to tie my hair down with my scarf, and I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup, and I'll be back to show you guys how I attach the braiding hair. So now that my makeup is done, I'm going to take up my scarf. My hair wasn't fully dry, but that was okay. If you'd like to do this style the next day, you can definitely let it dry overnight. Now this is the braiding hair I'm going to be using. I believe it was the Outre or Outre. I don't know how that thing is said. Some people say it's Outre, some people say it's Outre. Like, you guys let me know down in the comments what you call it. Anyways, I think it's called the Outre Jumbo Braid, and I just braided it down. It was just enough for my head. Like, I had to add a little piece of another extension to the end, but if your head is smaller, it's not as big as mine, then you'll be fine. So here you're just seeing the method I used in tucking it at the back. I pulled it through the loop of the braid, and I just brought it back and pinned it under. I really hope that's not confusing, but if you're confused, just slow this clip down and watch exactly what I'm doing. And after I did that, all I'm going to do is just go ahead and fluff the braid. And the texture of this braiding hair is so natural, it looks just like natural hair, that it made it look even better. And after that, all I'm going to do is accessorize with some of these gold braid pins, and the style is basically complete, you guys. I really hope you love this style. If you recreate it, please tag me. I hope you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.